Using your favorite messaging app on the Samsung Galaxy A27 is easy. Whether you prefer Google Messages, Samsung Messages, or another compatible SMS app, you can make it your default in just a few taps. Follow the steps below to update your messaging preference. Step 1. Unlock your phone and launch settings. You can tap the gear icon from the quick settings panel or open settings directly from the app screen. Step 2. Scroll through the settings menu until you find apps, then tap it to open your installed app settings. Step 3. At the top of the apps page, tap Choose Default Apps. This section lets you decide which apps your phone uses for specific tasks. Step 4. Tap SMS app to view every messaging application installed on your Galaxy A27 that supports text messaging. Step 5. Choose the app you want to use by tapping the circle beside its name. For example, you can select Google Messages, Samsung Messages, or another supported messaging app. Step 6. Your Samsung Galaxy A27 will automatically save the new setting. From this point forward, all SMS and MMS messages will be handled by the app you selected. If your preferred messaging app doesn't appear in the list, make sure it is installed and updated to the latest version. Some third-party messaging apps may require additional permissions before they can be set as the default SMS app. Your default messaging app has now been changed successfully. If you ever want to switch back or try a different messaging app, simply repeat these steps and select another option. The process only takes a minute and can be changed as often as you like without affecting your phone's data or contacts.